Now, just going back to some of the the benefits or advantages if you force it through a mutual fund. Of course, you have the professional management given to you by the fund managers. Second that I'd like to
At
highlight,
no
of
added
course,
cost.
at no added cost,
At
of
no
course.
added cost. Ayan.
And second, that very important is the liquidity. So liquidity pertains to gaano kabilis mo ba pwedeng makuha yung pera mo when you need it, di ba? So mutual funds, ang redemption dito, it's less than a week makukuha mo na yung pera mo. Kasi ang having experience din in helping out other companies is when they plan for their retirement, they invested it in other illiquid assets. So for example, they invested it in real estate or in a building which appreciated. Ang ganda nung kita nung nung lupa na yon. But the problem is when they needed to liquidate it, hindi nila ma-liquidate
Mabenta kaagad.
mabenta. So matagal
building
yung
pa rin siya.
bentahan. Building pa rin siya. Nag-appreciate siya talaga.
Yeah.
Maganda yung appreciation niya. But of course, kung kailangan mo na yung pera, makukuha mo ba? So again, liquidity, that should be one of your considerations when you're planning for your retirement. And of course, i-invest mo yung pera mo, dapat tignan mo na rin kung maganda ba yung return ng pinag-i-investan mo. So that's one of the highlights din naman of a mutual fund, of course. It's the potential returns, high potential returns that it can give to our investors. So yun yung tatlong rason kung bakit popular yung mutual funds when it comes to retirement planning. There are a lot of reasons, but if I can just give you three, it's the professional management, it's the liquidity, and the potential high returns.
Yeah. And may I add to those three that you highlighted? Kasi kanina paulit-ulit nating minamention ang flexibility, no? Is I believe number 4 is the diversification. Kasi ang portfolio ng client or ng account, pwedeng mixed portfolio siya eh. Pwedeng may halong aggressive funds, moderate funds, targeted year na funds, or conservative funds, di ba? So diversification is also important. Maybe you can kind of expound on that a bit more.
Oh yeah, diversification. So let's say you decided that you wanted to invest in the stock market for the retirement of your employees. So when you invest in the stock market, a good practice is to diversify your holdings. Ibig sabihin, mag-invest ka sa ganitong industry. Let's say mag-invest ka sa telco industry, mag-invest ka sa consumer companies, mag-invest ka sa conglomerates, mag-invest ka sa banks. So that's called diversification. If you're going to do it by yourself, dun sa company ninyo, of course, it takes a lot of knowledge and hard work din to purchase all of those. But if you invest into a mutual fund, kasi ang mutual fund, it's a basket already of investments. For example, you have what we call the index fund. So the index fund invests in the top 30 companies here in the Philippines. So automatically, ang binibili mo lang yung index fund, but you have exposure to the top 30 here in the Philippines. Na medyo mahirap siyang gawin kung if you're going to do it by yourself. 30 companies ang iba-buy and sell mo. So that's where, again, diversification and your professional management comes into place.